In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote a YouTube video with Google Ads. We'll walk through the entire setup so you can confidently get your video in front of the right viewers. Start by opening Google Ads and signing in with the same Google account that's linked to your YouTube channel. On the dashboard, click New Campaign to begin. Next, choose a campaign goal. If your aim is to get more views and exposure, pick brand awareness and reach. If you want to send people to a specific link, choose website traffic. For campaigns built around a landing page and leads, select leads. There's also an option to create a campaign without a goals guidance for more control. For most creators, brand awareness and reach or video views is the simplest and most effective place to start. When prompted for the campaign type, choose video, then select a video campaign subtype. Video views is best for growing views. Video reach is designed to maximize exposure. In-feed video ads appear in YouTube search and recommendations, and custom video campaign gives advanced control. If you're new, start with video views for straightforward setup and predictable results. Name your campaign clearly so it's easy to track later, set a daily budget, and choose your start and end dates. A good starting point is around $5 to $10 per day while you test and learn. For bidding, use CPV or cost per view. The maximum CPV option lets you cap what you're willing to pay per view. Begin with a conservative bid, then adjust based on the results you see. Choose where your ads will show. Enable YouTube search results and YouTube videos. If you want to focus only on YouTube, uncheck the display network so your budget stays on the placements that matter most for video. Set your targeting. You can reach people by interest, custom intent audiences, topics, keywords, or placements such as specific channels or videos. A smart approach is to start broad so the system can learn, then refine toward the audiences, keywords, or placements that deliver strong performance. Now select the video you want to promote by pasting your YouTube video URL. Pick your ad format. In-stream ads play before or during other videos, while in-feed ads appear in search results and recommendations. Choose the one that fits your goal. Create the ad by writing a compelling headline. For in-feed ads, a clear description, an optional final URL if you want to drive traffic, and a direct call to action like subscribe, watch now, or learn more. Make sure your hook lands in the first few seconds. Finally, review every setting, fix any warnings, and click Publish Campaign. Your promotion will go live after a quick review, and you can optimize from there as data comes in.